everyone, my name is Brittany and today I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing dinner rolls. So let's get started.
I'm going to start this recipe with 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then 2 tablespoons of honey. I then have 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Then I have 1 cup of warm water, make sure it's not hot, and then 1 teaspoon of instant yeast. I'm going to mix this until the dough starts to come together. Once it starts to come together, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once my butter is all incorporated, I'm going to mix my dough on a high speed for 5 minutes. I've transferred my dough to a greased bowl. This dough is really sticky, but a trick to that is if you wet your hands, the dough won't stick to your hands. I'm going to let this sit in a warm place until it doubles in size. Then I'm going to pat my dough out on a floured surface into a big rectangle, and I'm going to cut it into 3 strips. Then I'm going to cut each strip into 5 pieces. To make your rolls, you're just going to stretch the dough just a little bit and then fold it over. You're going to put that in a greased baking dish to rise until it's double in size. I've got my oven preheating to 350 degrees, and I'm going to bake these until they're a nice golden brown. And look how they turned out.
I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel. And if you'd like to see more recipes like this, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching.